Hello everyone, I am Shivam Kesarwani. I am currently pursuing my ASIC and full custom layout program with Trainee Academy. I have completed my bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from KIET group of institutions, Ghaziabad in June 2024. I am passionate about working in semiconductor industry, and because of that I joined Pine during my fourth semester. The training program at Pine met and greatly surpassed all my expectations. One of the highlights of the program was the summer internship, where I worked on several digital projects like 4-bit sign calculator and digital clock. One of the projects I worked involved generating a pattern very similar to Snake mobile game and calculating the score. I got an appreciation from my mentors, which thrilled me to learn and work more. I explored the industry and ready to continue my journey with ASIC and full custom layout program at Pine. The curriculum provided by Pine was comprehensive, covering everything, understanding the basic network and designing the analog circuits. I have designed the analog circuits like common source amplifier, common drain amplifier, current mirrors and differential amplifier. I have done the documentation of every analysis and design, which I have shared it on my LinkedIn profile. I strongly endorse the ASIC and full custom layout program for those who are interested in advancing their career in semiconductor industry. Thank you Pine and all my mentors for this incredible opportunity. Thank you.